Hello, welcome to the Marc Show, the cybersecurity show. In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can make your desktop clean, sleek, and professional in just minutes too. So without further ado, let's get right into it. We're going dark. So I'm just going to get you with these tips. So number one, hide your desktop icons and taskbar. A minimalist look is all the rage, and one of the quickest ways to create a clean PC aesthetic is to hide all those default Windows icons. And here's how you can do it. You can go to settings, right? Type settings, into the bottom, right of this, or whatever your search bar is. Select the settings app, click personalization, then select themes and look for the desktop icon settings. It should be to the right, but you may need to extend the settings app window to see everything, right? You're gonna wanna uncheck all the Windows icons that you don't want to see on your desktop. And you can also hide the taskbar, right? Bet you ain't even know that. You can also navigate to the bottom of the screen or wherever your taskbar is docked. Right-click the taskbar and choose taskbar settings. Switch on the mode called automatically hide the taskbar in the desktop. You can also tweak other taskbar settings so it takes up less real estate on your screen. Number two, set new desktop wallpaper. Now you're gonna want something very classy, all right? So pick something very classy and professional. Don't be out here doing some wild thing, you know what I'm saying? Some SpongeBob with a mohawk. Just don't do that. So changing the wallpaper is an easy and classic move to make, when personalizing your computer. Simply go to the settings again and select the background tab. As a quick note, wallpaper and background are used interchangeably within the Windows setting menus. You can choose to either make your wallpaper a static picture, or you can set a slideshow of rotating images. If you need cool wallpapers, Microsoft has. Why are you suggesting templates? Oh, we grown. That's why I'm suggesting that we grown. So Microsoft includes a link within these settings that brings you new images every day. You can also select your own artwork, a family photo, or something that inspires you. Number three, you change lock screen background. So if you leave your computer for any length of time and the energy saving features kick in, you'll probably see a different photo op on your screen. This is the lock screen background, and it remains until you unlock your computer. If you don't set a particular background, Microsoft will create one for you. So if you don't want a dusty, basic looking one, you can pick one, but remember, keep it classy. Okay? So it typically consists of vivid photographs and places and items from around the world. While those images are certainly attractive, you can set your own lock screen background that better matches your aesthetic, right? You can do this in the same settings window that you use to set wallpaper. So number four, set account picture, right? If you don't pick a customized account picture, your avatar will appear as a gray image with a white face outline. To create something more personal and cool, go to your settings. Again, there's a kind of a pattern here, right? You're gonna wanna keep going to settings. So keep that in your back pocket. So go to settings, then accounts, and your info. Go to create your picture. From here, you can use your webcam or a very nice camera to take a photo of yourself. You can also upload an existing photo or anything else you'd like. If there are ideas you have, please let me know in the comment section below, and I will do my best to reply to you as soon as possible, because you might have a better idea. We in this together. We're here to learn, okay? Next, revive start menu. If you're like the typical PC user, you use the start menu many times during the day, but you have noticed how it gets so full of junk and unused icons. To clean this up and streamline your start menu experience, simply do this. Number one, navigate to the start menu and right-click on any program, tile you don't want to see there anymore. Next, select unpin from start. Next, you're gonna wanna, this simple task should help clean up your PC. Many computers come loaded with useful apps, but they may also contain games or utilities you don't necessarily use often, if at all, right? You should also use this opportunity to drag the apps you love from the start menu list on the left to the titles featured on the right. And also, whenever you have so much apps, it slows down your PC, because your computer's like, I gotta be ready for whatever whatever you click, right? So minimize the apps, right? Next, organize your desktop. There are two types of people in the world: those with clean desktops and those with absolutely nightmarish desktops like you. Just playing. So even if you don't always keep your desktop organized, cleaning it up may help your computer run more smoothly. Didn't I just tell you that? Didn't I just tell you that? I just told you that, right? The quickest way to do this is to right-click anywhere on the desktop, not on a file or folder, and choose sort by item type. This will put all of the similar items together. You can then choose the select function to drag and select a group of files or folders you want to move or delete at once. So for example, or Word documents to your documents folder. Getting things off your desktop will make you feel better and cleaner and more organized and sleek, right? And more professional. And don't forget to empty your recycling bin after throwing a bunch of stuff away. Next, we have customized sounds. Windows, they're trying to give you as much capability as possible. So while Windows 11 introduces some new sounds to the mix, the Windows audio experience hasn't changed too much in the recent years, right? But if you're tired of the traditional chimes and beeps you've come to know, consider changing things up with new sounds. How you do that? How you do that, big dog? How you do that? I got you, bro. Just count it. It's counting. I got you. So navigate to the settings window. Did not say keep settings in your back pocket. Click on the sound, click over the sound control panel and choose the sounds tab. You can either change sounds to what's available or even upload your own WAV files, the .wav files, to try and, you can try out, any sound before you confirm it. Just use the test button. This won't do much to make your computer screen aesthetic, but it can make your computer time more fun. So lastly, install and customize Rain Meter. If you feel frustrated by the idea of going through all your settings, or you're not creative enough to come up with great visual combos on your own, consider using Rain Meter, right? It comes loaded with customizable skins and graphics to create a stunning experience every time you log on. The one thing is it may take some time for you to get fully comfortable using it, right? Fortunately, there are plenty of tutorial videos on YouTube to help you get started. Just watch a few flips and you'll be on your way to a truly aesthetic PC look in no time. That's what I have for you today. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Do you have some ideas that I didn't cover that you feel like that the public should know? Please let me know in the comment section below. I appreciate your viewership. I appreciate you watching me. Stay safe, stay tuned. See you on the next video.